Today we'll be constructing a bulkhead with the FyreBATT 50 and the FyreFRAME. The FyreFRAME makes constructing a bulkhead easier than ever. For more information, refer back to our tech manuals as well as test reports. All fixings, washers, angles and fire stopping material are supplied by your local Trafalgar branch. Servo wrap is only needed if the service penetrates the bulkhead. Measure the area around the service penetration for the FyreFRAME. Measure and cut the FyreFRAME angles to length using snips. Drill out the angles for masonry anchors at 300mm centres. The FyreFRAME's perforated angles keeps this quick and effortless. Bolt the first angles to the soffit with masonry bolts, then assemble the rest of the FyreFRAME angles together with screws. Measure the FyreFRAME and service penetration. Cut the FyreBATT 50 to size. If a service penetrates the bulkhead, cut the FyreBATT 50 to accommodate it. For further information on suitable penetration systems, refer to our FyreBATT 50 and servo wrap floors and ceilings manual, as well as our walls manual. Brush all sides of the FyreBATT 50 with FyreMastic AR. FyreMastic AR is available in brush grade pails, as well as 600ml sausages. Secure the FyreBATT 50 to the FyreFRAME with fixings and washers. Screws should be installed at 200mm centres of the FyreFRAME. Fill any gaps between the FyreBATT 50 with FyreMastic AR. Before applying the second layer of the FyreBATT 50, apply a serpentine pattern of FyreMastic AR to the back end of the FyreBATT 50. Install the second layer with fixings and washers, ensuring that the screws are connected through the FyreFRAME. Once all sides of the FyreBATT 50 are installed, apply a bead of FyreMastic AR and tool to finish. Wrap the servo wrap around the service penetration, securing with steel cable ties. Any service penetration through the bulkhead can be fire sealed per the standards in the FyreBATT Service Penetration Manual. For this pipe, we're applying a 25 by 25mm fillet of FyreMastic HPR around the FyreBATT 50 and servo wrap. Then apply a 25 by 25mm fillet of FyreMastic HPR between the outer layer and the FyreBATT 50, tooling smooth to finish. With that, the installation is complete. For more information, refer back to our tech manual or get in contact with our technical team.